Hi, we're Silas and Andréa, and we recently spent 5 days rafting down the wild and scenic John Day River with a bunch of Silas's family. This river is less about the rapids and more about enjoying a relaxing ride through Oregon's high desert canyonland. We had a great trip and hope you enjoy watching our video.
We are doing 70 miles on the river, Clarno to Cottonwood. I think somebody said that it was about 1900 CFS, cubic feet a second, right now. So we've caught the fork heading up to Antelope now. Missed our fork again, turned around, and we're on our way. So getting on the smaller roads, and then once we're there, we're not too far from the put-in. So yay! Probably stop and have some dinner.
All right, here we are at the put-in. We arrived in Clarno. There's our crew.
Are you posting video on this one?
Yeah. Do you want to be in it? Okay. Well, good. You're in it. Who are you? Monte. Yep.
Uncle.
Yep. Julian Thomas's uncle. Lots of fun. Great with kids.
Happy to be here.
And hello, who is this fine birthday boy? What's your name?
Caleb.
Yeah, this is Silas's brother.
Yep.
And we have Wendy.
Hi.
It's Julian Thomas's mom. Here we are, pulling into the boat launch. A lot of excitement today. Well, good morning. It's day one, whoop whoop, of us going to launch on the river today. So we're at the launch right now, just kind of everyone's unpacking trucks and got lots of rafts to inflate. This process usually takes a couple hours. There's so many things to get in the boat and strap in. But we're the only ones here, so we have the whole place to ourselves. That's great.
I'm not ready to commit.
He's still got his dry shoes on. All right, what's your best guesstimate for launch time?
Last time? Well, I don't know what time it is, but from now, 2 hours.
2 hours?
Hour and 45?
From now?
That's a long time. Look at where our status is.
I know, we still got quite a bit.
On the other boat.
All right, the launch has begun. We have 4 boats already downriver, and I'm just waiting here at the put-in for Silas. He's doing last-minute arrangements with the truck. We did it!
We did it!
We got all the boats packed and on the water.
I'm hungry. What do we have?
We have some egg salad wrapped in a romaine leaf from the garden. And I'm just gonna do it kind of like a little burrito dolma thing. Just like that.
Is that one for me?
Yes, dear. Of course.
Thanks, sweetie. This Upper Clarno, this river is not really about the rapids.
Right there.
What's your advice, Monte?
Don't want to lose your hat. You don't want to spill your drink.
Okay, got it.
Called Maha by Native Americans, the river we now call the John Day is named after a fur trapper from the early 19th century. The John Day River Basin is one of the nation's largest free-flowing river systems. Elevation ranges from 265 feet at the confluence of the Columbia River to over 9,000 feet at the headwaters in the Strawberry Mountain Range.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like that.
Thanks for cleaning, Silas.
I won't have dishpan hands.
You look good in purple gloves.
This is a nice section of the river. It's the getting into more of a canyon. We're on welcome to day 2. Had a really nice camp where we got shade yesterday and we stopped early. We only did about 5 miles, so now we got to do like 20. And we're gonna have a steady row, but we're gonna go through some really pretty canyons today and still really easy whitewater. So we're just enjoying the scenery, listening to the birds. The birds have just been fabulous with all kinds of cool sounds and different birds. It's like a migratory route, I bet, just because they can come in here and get refreshed. Last night, right at dusk, right in the camp, like a cool owl came and landed in the limb right above us. We saw it flutter in. It was only about 10 feet up in the limb, and so we were able to see it. They were trying to line up. You could see it real clear. And then realized right about dusk all these different raptors were going to come out, so they were flying around in the field, big birds popping out of the trees, probably getting little mice. That was real. And then the stars have just been epic because there's like no moon, little tiny sliver of a moon that goes down right at sunset. It's a great star. Tonight we are going to hopefully get a camp that's in this amphitheater. I've heard about it. It sounds really awesome, and we're shooting for that. Got one more for Mom.
Grandma wants some.
I want a negotiated truce.
Truth.
I'm reading here about the wildlife, and it's saying that the bighorns were reintroduced into the lower basin near 30 Mile Creek in 1989. They've been successful and are spreading to new locations, so we're gonna be looking for bighorn sheep.
Good morning. We had our second night on the river, and it was a long push yesterday because we had to make up time for our first night where we only went down 5 or 6 miles. So Sai and I are just about to make some coffee, and it's nice to enjoy these really cool morning, I couldn't even say hours because it's about an hour before it starts to heat up, But the sky is beautiful. It looks like we're gonna have some clouds today. It should be a little cooler than yesterday, because yesterday was super hot. But this beautiful camp that we had, I'll show you, has this incredible rock formation. Might be hard to see with the way the light is right now. And we all got a good landing. And I'll take you up and show you where Si's cooking breakfast.
Ready for coffee?
Oh, I'm ready.
Fun. We're breaking down the tent. Had a beautiful little spot here. Get the tent shook out. We're floating along here on day 3. It's pretty mellow on the river. So it's got the New Yorker cartoons out.
It's not art, really. Just something I pulled out of my butt. And it's a spider in a spider web talking to a squirrel.
Geese on your left.
I just got like a 2-pound fish.
Awesome!
Good, you're with Uncle Caleb.
We found ourselves a fine camp. Doesn't look like it's very used, but it's cozy. Happens to be a windy afternoon. It's coming whipping down the river here, but it's kind of got the kitchen in behind this tree, and it's pretty comfortable.
Just here at camp. Getting ready for dinner.
Hi.
I'm making a good soup for dinner.
There's mushrooms, carrots, potatoes, and then that one's got chicken sausage, and we got a vegetarian option right here. Same thing without chicken sausage.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Just waking up on day 4 of
Should we get
the
Thomas
river
in
trip.
here?
Yeah, there's Thomas with us. We just pulled some chairs up to get a nice view of the river. I'll give you a little peek. The sun's just now starting to come up on the hills. We had a long push yesterday. Did a lot of miles. Strong afternoon winds. So it feels like a lazy morning, but honestly we have no idea what time it is.
There's Hoot Owl Rock.
Could it be named anything better? No.
What you doing?
Working on dinner.
Oh, good we have you with us.
Yeah, we are having soup again that my mom made. Like a minestrone, and doing up some quesadillas with them, with the soup, and had some really good appetizers. In this lovely little spot, this really cool little camp that we're on. It's like a little sandbar behind me here. That the snuck in on the lower river. There's really not that many camps on the lower river, so this wasn't on the map. And we're right in the middle of a couple on an island. It's great. We had shade and pulled in and cozy. Spot to fish and paddleboard.
Good morning. So it's beginning of day 5. Just launched from our camp. We just have about 5 miles to go.
Close to me, you love differently, so move close to me, love me differently, differently.
Coming into the takeout.
You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes.